An ET Now exclusive. The Power Minister R.K Singh will be meeting RBI officials tomorrow to discuss the new stringent NPA norms. Now, this comes after the country's largest lender, SBI, met with power producers and financiers last week to discuss a resolution plan for 34 stressed projects, including those of Adani, SR, JP, as well as Lanco. Our reporter Rituparna has more on this. Ritu, tell us, what is the Power Minister likely to propose to the RBI officials?
So the Power Minister and the Power Secretary A.K. Bhalla and the Power Minister R.K Singh will be chairing this meeting, and there will be also officials from the Finance Ministry present in this meeting. The meeting is likely to take place around quarter past 4 evening, and what they're likely to request the RBI is to relook the one-day deadline for classifying a stressed project as an NPA. So keeping in mind the unusual supply and demand cycle of this power sector, considering the fact that the demand is really a latent demand when it comes to the power sector, so they are going to pitch it to the RBI to define a stressed project as an NPA only after the completion of the 180-day deadline and not after the one-day deadline. This comes after the SBI had met the power lenders earlier, in the last week, power lenders, and had chalked out a plan and has said that they'll be setting up an asset monetization and revitalization company to take over and inject fund and revitalize the projects, some of the stressed projects. They've said that they'll be giving priority to the projects which are nearly 80% complete, and in this regard I have to tell you that 34 projects are stressed at this point, with a combined capacity of 40,000 megawatts. So depending upon how far that comes and what happens in the meeting, the power sector might be looking at some good news.